Welcome to our new series, Fast and Curious Facts. This short presentation aims at sharing essential facts you must know for efficient formulation with Gattefossé excipients. Bioenhancers by nature. Lipid formulations, the winning strategy. In this episode, you will discover all the benefits of using lipid-based formulations to enhance oral bioavailability of drugs, know how to formulate them, and discover the wide range of Gattefossé excipients for lipid-based formulations. Many drugs suffer from low solubility or low permeability, and hence, have limited oral bioavailability. Lipid-based formulations have the power to solve these issues. Lipids are part of our diet. Through the action of bile and enzymes, they are digested and absorbed. The same digestion process occurs for lipid-based formulations, leading ultimately to increased drug absorption. Upon action of enzymes and bile salts, the lipid-based formulation is transformed in a series of colloidal structures, vesicles, mixed micelles, and crystalline lipid phases. They contribute to maintaining the drug in solubilized state throughout the digestion process. Medium-chain fatty acids, C8, C10, are known to facilitate intestinal absorption of poorly permeable drugs via transcellular uptake due to a membrane fluidization effect, paracellular uptake due to the reversible opening of tight junctions. Unsaturated, long-chain fatty acids, C18-1, C18-2, are known to facilitate lymphatic uptake via assembly of the drug with lipoproteins in the chylomicrons. Ingestion of a lipid-based formulation is sufficient to trigger the release of bile and lipases, in the same manner and extent as it occurs with a fat-containing meal. The difference between fasted and fed state is minimized and food effect can be reduced or cancelled. Follow our 3-step guided process to develop the best lipid-based formulation for your active pharmaceutical ingredient. Solubility screening. Miscibility, dispersibility testing. In vitro lipolysis. First, measure the saturation solubility of your drug in a range of excipients, oils, surfactants, and solvents. Select the excipients that can solubilize your API. Second, test the miscibility of binary mixtures of excipients and their dispersibility in water. Select excipients that are miscible and dispersible in aqueous solution. Third, perform the in vitro digestion test to evaluate the ability of the formulation to maintain the drug in solubilized state throughout the digestion. Then, go for in vivo studies with the best formulations. With Gattefossé full range of excipients, consisting of oils, surfactants, and solvents, any type of lipid-based formulation can be developed. Our range of excipients is able to dissolve a wide range of molecules, from low to high log P. They can be combined to form lipid-based formulations, type 1, 2, 3 or 4. Our short-chain fatty acid-based excipients, Capriol 90, Labrafac MC60, and Labrasol ALF, are proven transient intestinal permeation enhancers. Our unsaturated, long-chain fatty acid-based excipients, Mazine CC, Pesil, Chloral oleic CC497, Labrafil M1944CS and Labrafil M2125CS, are acknowledged lymphatic transporters. Lipid-based formulations have been used for decades to improve solubility and oral bioavailability of drugs, and products are marketed worldwide. You can find relevant information on the properties and uses of lipid-based formulations in these excellent reviews. You can also download our free ebook entitled Lipid Excipients to Unlock Oral Bioavailability Issues, providing many references with our excipients. Many APIs have been formulated with lipids, as shown in this non-exhaustive list. Drug products are marketed worldwide, as tablets, hard and soft capsules or oral solutions. Lipid-based formulation is a winning strategy to formulate poorly water-soluble or poorly permeable drugs, and enhance their oral bioavailability.